5th generation CNC. Smallest industry footprint. No homing. No rubber belts. High-flow vacuum system. Touchscreen control. Rapid tool change at the gantry. Welcome to CNC Factory. The Viper XP by CNC Factory is a heavyweight CNC router from the entry level to the experienced production facility, designed for factory profitability. This machine features the latest CNC routing and sheet processing capabilities and has the smallest industry footprint of just 10 feet. From nested-based routing, MDF doors, to dovetail drawers, the Viper XP makes your work easy and consistent with driverless operations, integrated touchscreen controls, and machine installation in under 2 hours. Welcome to the world of powerful and easy-to-use CNC. Making cabinets couldn't be faster with integrated cabinet and V-Carve professional cutting software. Simply select the parts you want to cut at the control center and produce. The Viper XP is fully loaded, scalable, and never needs daily homing calibration. Standard features include 10 horsepower spindle with 8-position tool changer on the gantry, automatic tool measuring, helical rack and pinion, touchscreen and automatic vacuum control, touchscreen play and pause cutting operations, on-screen cabinet and cutting library. For more information, visit www.cncfactory.com.